If customers can't filter products in your Shopify collections because the filters are missing, not displaying correctly, or simply not working, don't worry. This is a fairly common problem, especially when setting up a new store or changing themes. The good news is that in most cases, the issue can be fixed in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to troubleshoot and fix collection filters that are not showing or working in Shopify, step by step. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're signed in, go to the left-hand menu and click on Online Store, then click on Navigation. Shopify manages collection filters through the Search and Discovery app, so you'll need to access that first. Inside the navigation page, look for the section called Collection and Search Filters. If you don't see it directly, click on the Search and Discovery app. This app controls which filters appear on your storefront. Once you're inside, click on Filters. Here, you'll see all the filters currently enabled for your store. If no filters have been added, customers won't see any filtering options on collection pages. Click Add Filters and choose the filters you want to display. Common examples include availability, price, product type, vendor, size, and color. After selecting the filters you need, save your changes. Next, check whether your products actually contain the information required for those filters. For example, if you've enabled a color filter but none of your products have color variants or color meta fields, the filter may not appear. Similarly, if you've enabled product type filtering but your products don't have product types assigned, Shopify may hide the filter automatically. To verify this, go to Products and open a few items from your catalog. Make sure product types, tags, variants, or meta fields are properly filled in depending on the filters you're trying to use. Update any missing information and save the products. Another common cause is theme compatibility. Some older Shopify themes do not support the newer filtering system. To check this, go to Online Store and click on Themes. Make sure you're using an Online Store 2.0 theme because these themes fully support Shopify's built-in collection filters. If you're using an outdated theme, consider updating it or switching to a newer version. You should also preview your collection page after making changes. Open your online store and navigate to a collection. Sometimes filters take a few moments to update, so refresh the page if necessary. If the filters still don't appear, clear your browser cache or open the store in an incognito window to rule out caching issues. If you're using third-party apps that modify collection pages, they could be interfering with Shopify's native filters. Temporarily disable those apps and test the collection page again. If the filters start working, you'll know that one of the apps is causing the conflict. Another helpful step is to check whether your collection actually contains enough products. Certain filters may not display if there are too few products or if all products have identical values. Adding more products with different attributes often resolves this issue. Finally, remember to save all changes before leaving the admin panel. It's easy to configure filters and forget to save, which means none of the changes will appear on the storefront. To quickly recap, open the Search and Discovery app, enable the required filters, make sure your products contain the necessary information, verify theme compatibility, clear your browser cache, check for app conflicts, and test the collection page again. I hope this tutorial helped you fix collection filters not showing or working in Shopify. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Shopify tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.